what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, hello, my name is Farina and nice to meet you. For today's video, we are unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro and I got it in the deep purple and I'm honestly so excited because one, I heard the camera is a lot better, and number two, I got the maximum amount of storage I can get in an iPhone, which is a 1 terabyte. And before you go ahead and start saying, oh my god, that's so much and that's really crazy, social media is my full-time job, so I take a lot of content on my phone on the daily and I figured it was about time. It was about time. So with that said, let's go ahead and unbox my new iPhone 14 Pro. So here we go. We have the iPhone 14 Pro and I got it in the deep purple and in 1 terabyte storage or data. So my recent iPhone is the iPhone 12 Pro and I love this. The camera is awesome. I got it in the Pacific blue color because I love the Pacific Ocean. I'm a beach bum and it just felt right to get the Pacific blue. Oh, she's gorgeous. Look at her, guys. I got it in the deep purple because I've had a black one, a space gray one, a white one, and a gold one, and I was like, it's time to get a new one. So we went with this ube or deep purple color. We have my iPhone 12 Pro and this is the iPhone 14 Pro. Let's go ahead and kind of put them together and see how they look like side by side. Honestly, they're pretty much the same size. That's the reason why I got the iPhone 14 Pro and not the Max, because I feel like the Max is way too big for me to be just like holding it. The iPhone 14 no longer has the SIM card slot that is on the iPhone 12 Pro. I believe they switched from a physical SIM card on the side to an eSIM. iPhone 14 Pro, this is the iPhone 12 Pro, and it has the dynamic island, and then that's the old one right there. Alright, so this is where I'm at right now, transferring all the data on my phone. It says it's going to take 15 minutes to transfer all of my data from my iPhone 12 Pro to my iPhone 14 Pro. So I'm just going to go ahead and chill, relax here, answer some emails, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty everyone, everything finished transferring. There are a couple of apps that are still being downloaded. I don't really have any customization that I was planning on doing on this phone just because I kind of liked how everything looked like on my old one. So let's go ahead and go on to the next step in this little video. I actually purchased an iPhone 14 case ahead of time and I just ordered one from Amazon. Honestly guys, I feel like you should just save your money and order a case from Amazon. It's a lot cheaper and I feel like they have a lot of better options. So my favorite brand that I always get my case from is from AutoFly. This is not a sponsored video. I honestly have so many of their cases. This is my old case from my iPhone 12. I have so many of these cases from the same brand on Amazon and they have never disappointed me. I've dropped my phone so many times and it's still in one piece. It still works. So I wanted to get a new one for the iPhone 14. I forgot what color I got, but honestly, probably got the same beige color. Like if I'm not even gonna be surprised. So let's see. What did I say? What did I say? I also went ahead and pre-ordered a tempered glass screen. It is a little bit more pricey than the thin screen protector, but I think it's better. It protects your phone better. I picked up this glass screen protector from Amazon. It also comes with this little case that makes it easier for you to apply it. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so one thing I noticed with the iPhone 14 is that this is what my screen looks like when it's locked. And this is what my iPhone 12 Pro looks like when it's locked. So if I tap it, there's my wallpaper. And if I tap it, there's my wallpaper. And if I lock it, it's just gonna go into this dark mode, which I like because now I can see the date, the time, and the weather right off the bat. One of the things that I was most excited about the iPhone 14 are the camera capabilities, okay? Because I know that the photos are probably crisp in this. Here are the photographic styles. We have a standard style with 0 tone and 0 warmth. This is the default look produced by the iPhone camera that is balanced and true to life. We have rich contrast, which is -50 tone and 0 warmth. We have vibrant, tone is 50, warmth is 0. We have warm style where we get 0 tone and warm is 50 plus. And then we have a cool style, which is tone is 0 and warm is -50. For my wallpaper, I just found this one from Pinterest and it says, I am so lucky that everything works out for me. I am so lucky that everything always goes my way. And this has been my mantra for 2023, so I wanted to like see it every single day, so that's why I put it as my wallpaper. I also got to customize the clock of my iPhone and then I added the weather. Let's go ahead and talk about the contents in the back. Also, if you guys had the 12 Pro, they used to have a black one, but they went back to the white box, which is nice because I honestly prefer the white box. Not that it matters, but I feel like everyone that I know keeps their iPhone box for some reason. Like, are we ever gonna use them ever again? No, but I feel like everyone literally has them in their closet or freaking house somewhere. We have obviously a USB-C cord. I miss when they would include those little USB cube, but I guess it doesn't really matter anymore because they're for USB. But we have a USB-C cord and then we have a little Apple sticker, which is nice. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. It was honestly super candid. I just wanted to unbox the new iPhone 14 Pro, 1TB and deep purple with you guys. Anyway, let me know if you guys got the iPhone 14 or the iPhone 14 Pro or the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and let me know what your favorite features are, because for me, I honestly love the camera capabilities. I think it's super crisp, beautiful, and I'm just so excited to start shooting content. And I'm also traveling pretty soon, so I'm definitely gonna test it out while I'm on my trip. And if you guys would like to see those pictures, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, which is @Farina.Aguinaldo. I'm also on TikTok, which is @Farina Aguinaldo, and of course here on YouTube. So if you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you go ahead and click subscribe down below. Everything that I mentioned in this unboxing will be in the description box down below. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!